Today, I want to go over this fantastic product that should be in every vehicle. This is the AstroAI Multifunction Jump Starter, and I was sent this to take a look at, and I'm so glad that I was. I like to have these because I have two sons that are of driving age, and you never know when you're going to need one. Now, what is it? This is the AstroAI Multifunction Jump Starter, and it's multifunction for a couple of different reasons. But first, I want to talk about the durability of this. So this thing, as you can see, is made to be rugged. Whenever you need a jump starter, trust me, it's always in the most worst timing. It could be pitch black, it could be raining, you could be out on some side of the road where nobody else is. So it's going to be important that you have something that's rugged and that's made to take a beating. In fact, it's waterproof and it's dustproof as well. So if you are stuck outside in that rainy situation and your battery's dead, this will hook you up. Now let's talk about how is it multifunction. So in this side here, you can see I lift up this plastic port. Well, this is where I'm going to plug in what you'll typically think of with your jump starters. I'm going to plug that directly into here, and I've got the red and black connections that go into the battery. No more stretching out those long jumper cables, having to worry about what side of the vehicle the battery's on and all that stuff, because this is super portable. It's going to plug right in there and you can take it to wherever you need it. Now at the top here, you can see that how cool is this? You actually have USB slots. So in an emergency, your cell phone is down, you're out of power. Again, it tends to be at the worst timing. Plug your cell phone in there. Now you've got some battery backup. Also has a flashlight for those dark moments, and the flashlight will also strobe so that you can signal somebody. So, hey, I'm over here. You can see on the top, you've got your battery levels. You can see exactly how full of a charge is. By the way, it does come with a charger. USB-C is how that's going to charge with a plug. And then one more thing. So over here, you can see where it's going to come with this for DC items. So if you had a tire inflator, let's say your tire's low, that would typically plug into something that you'd consider like where an old cigarette lighter would go, that style plug, it's going to go in here, vacuums, tire inflators. So now you have a way to do that. How cool is that? Then, as if they didn't think of everything else, it also comes with this little pouch that you can store everything in. It's all in one place. Keep it in your center console or your truck. Now this thing is powerful. It's got 24,000 milliamp hours, which means this thing will jump off about just about anything that you could think of. So absolutely, this makes for a great gift as well. Check out the AstroAI Multifunction Jump Starter.